Hey, what's up guys? Today in this video, I'll show you some easiest ways you can use to connect your laptop to the internet. Any laptop user can face this situation when setting up their internet, and I assure you, this is not a predicament. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Method 1. Connecting through Ethernet. If you're using Ethernet, connect the LAN cable to your laptop and make sure it's set. Assuming you're here because the internet didn't connect automatically, go to your search menu and type CMD. The command prompt will now show, so click on it. In here, type ipconfig to check your internet IP address. Now keep this window open and go to search menu again. There, click network connections and open it. From here, right click on Ethernet and click on properties. And then click on the Internet Protocol version 4 box right here and select it. Now open properties. Here select use the following IP address. Now look up the IP address from the command prompt and type in IP address section here. Copy the subnet mask and default gateway from here as well and add it here. With that being done, check on the option use the following DNS server addresses here. Now we have to enter the preferred DNS server, which is 1111, that is 1.1.1.1. And for the alternative DNS server, select 1.0.0.1. Now press OK and launch your browser to open. As you can see, the internet is connected. Method 2. Connecting through Wi-Fi. Now this may sound weird, but Wi-Fi users generally make this mistake of keeping the Wi-Fi button off. So, just as a precaution, keep your Wi-Fi button turned on. Now click the taskbar on the corner and you can see 2 or 3 networks available. If you're using an open network, there is no need to do anything. But if it's a private network, you have to add the password to it. To do that, click on it and select connect. Now it will ask for a password. So you have to add your Wi-Fi password here and press next. After that, select the yes or no option here according to your needs. And all that is left is to check your internet connection. So this is the process you can follow to connect to your internet. If you found this video helpful, then smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any kind of questions, then please ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.